In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Claude artifacts if they are not loading. Let's get started. First, launch your Claude, click your profile icon, then click on Settings. Now head over to the option Capabilities. Scroll down to Code Execution and File Creation. Make sure this option is enabled as artifacts won't work properly without it. After you enable that, you can reload or refresh the Claude page. Next thing you want to do is click on this icon given over here, go to Site Settings. Now here, click on this drop down for pop-ups and set it to allow. Now you can navigate back to the Claude page, refresh or reload the page. Next up, launch settings. Go to this option, time and language, click on date and time. Toggle on for these options, set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Next, clear cache and cookies for this site. So click on this icon, click on the option cookies and site data, click on manage, click on this trash icon for Claude. Now click on reload and log into Claude account. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.